You say you want me, I don't ignore you. You said it first, but I let it more go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You got potential, I can't explain. It's so persuasive, I made some changes.
Y'all, look at my eye. We just got to the Bahamas. We're in the Grand Hyatt Baha Hotel. So I was like, you know what, I'm really tired. I'm gonna take a nap. And I took a nap and I woke up with a sigh. This is so ugly. I'm so pissed. Alright y'all, so we just got to the rental house, and well, we got here from Bahamas, and the rental house is really gorgeous. Like, it's on like the quieter side of the island, so it's like not as, you know, lively over here, which I don't mind. The house is gorgeous. The house is beautiful. It has 3 floors, 4 bedrooms. It's really like luxurious. Like, the whole design of it is just beautiful. It's white, and it's just real like bougie. Like, I love it. Like, right now that's what I'm wearing. I have this band on, and honestly, unless like we're going somewhere, this band is gonna be on, because I can't have my lace lifting at all. So yeah, I have this little outfit on, little ensemble bag. So yeah, we're about to go find something to eat though, and yeah, it's just really gorgeous. Alright, so we're getting ready to go to the restaurant right now, and we got a driver, so that's really nice. I feel like I'm always the first one ready, but anyway, It's really beautiful outside. My lace unfortunately did not survive the weather, but it's all good. Well, what is this? Alright, so I'm in the car right now. Nobody else is ready, but if you're ever in the Bahamas and you need like a driver, I definitely would recommend Jeffrey DeVoe. I think it's DeVoe or Devereaux. I'll put his information in the bio if you guys really want to know. Like, he's a really good, like, I really love the service. Yes, sir.
What you can do is kind of give me a call.
Okay.
Give me an idea, like, what time you'll be ready so I can
Okay.
get a vehicle there.
Okay.
Like about maybe half an hour.
Half an hour?
Yeah,
Okay.
half an hour.
All right. Thank you so
These
much.
guys are-
Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not enough time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not enough time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. 'Cause I was sleeping with a pistol in my bed. I'd rather have you instead. I gotta get out of my own head. Don't let me go. Don't let me
So tasting it's 80% smoke.
I didn't know that. I don't know.
So here's your recommendation. When you taste the wine, suck in some air so that opens up the olfactory receptors in the
Okay.
back. And then blow out through your nose. So that'll
Okay.
help you pick up some flavors as well.
You also have to swallow through your mouth because you have different taste buds in your mouth.
Ah.
Before you swallow.
Okay.
And
Let
then
me
blow
try
out
it
through
now.
your nose.
It tastes grapes.
It tastes great.
This is grapes. Okay. Let's see this one. This one smells.
So you gotta let that one open up a little bit. So that makes it oxygen.
Okay. I really don't have a sophisticated palate that side. I kind of smell it. I don't smell anything.
Swirl it around a little bit.
Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not enough time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not enough time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. 'Cause I was sleeping with a pistol in my bed. I'd rather have you instead. I gotta get out of my own head. Don't let me go. Don't let me
It is. That's what I'm saying. Like, look how nice the camera looks. You see how nice the camera looks?
Like, I didn't pack at that point.
I'm telling you, you're such
I
a
didn't,
cow.
I didn't, but
bro.
everything was on the bed, but I had to put it in the bag.
You're such a cow.
And I had to go to the store too, so I ended up going to the store in Manhattan.
Yeah.
You should have done that thing. You wanna know where we at? We outside.
I let him all go. Oh yeah. You got potential, I can't explain. It's so persuasive, I made some changes. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not enough time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not enough time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. 'Cause I was sleeping with a pistol in my bed. I'd rather have you
Alright guys, so I haven't been talking much during this vlog, so I really just wanted you guys to see like the atmosphere of the Bahamas and really get an idea of just how beautiful the island is. So most of the time I've just been showing you guys the scenery. Most of the time I've been showing you guys the scenery. And honestly, it's really beautiful. This is my last day here, so I'm really sad because I really had so much fun. And it's like a really it's a really chill vibe. Like, if you're looking for somewhere to chill and relax, I would say Bahamas is a good place to go. But I also feel like there's a very fun side that I probably didn't get to fully experience just because, you know, the circumstances of COVID and the island shutting down, you know, at a certain time. But I'm sure that, you know, when the island is fully open, I know it's lit. I feel it. I just know it's lit. So yeah, and I will catch you guys later.